forgot to film an intro, but if you guys want to see how I got this makeup look, just keep on watching. Okay, so I already went ahead and did my eyebrows off camera. I'm gonna prime my eyes again, but I did prime my eyes with the CoverGirl True Blend concealer in the shade Natural Ivory. So I'm just gonna put another coat of this over my eyes, and then I'm gonna blend that out with the Real Techniques Expert Face Brush, and I'm just gonna pat this concealer into my eye until it's a nice, clean, even base. Okay, so now I'm gonna be going into the A Flutter palette by ColourPop, and this is what that looks like. I'm not really sure what eyeshadow look I want to use, but the first brush am gonna be using for sure is gonna be this brush. It does not have a name on it, but it's a flat fluffy brush and it's stained. I think, I don't know what look I want to go for. I might try this purple, I'm not even gonna lie. Okay, I'm gonna be going into this color right here, and this is called Swallowtail. And I'm just gonna pack the color onto my brush, and then I'm going to pack that color into my crease. And all you want to do is pack the color into your crease. You do not want to blend anything out yet. But I'm only going to do it this far, so that it looks like this. We're not going to leave the front open. But I'm going to do the same thing to the other side, because this is how you're going to get the most color payoff. So you just want to pack the color first. Okay, so once we have that, I'm going to be taking a small fluffy brush, and this is from IBY Beauty, and it really is just like a small little fluffy brush. I think I'm going to blend this color out with Crisscross, which is this color right here. Ooh, or should I do Ooh, which is this orange? Actually, I'm going to do Ooh. I'm going to take that on this small blending brush, and I'm going to tap some of it off. And what I'm going to do is blend the edge of the purple color that we did just put on our eye. And you do want to do small circular motions. You don't want to go too crazy yet. And you do want to add a little bit of color at a time. You don't want to do too much, because you can always add more. So we're just going to blend this out using small circular motions. Let me see if I can get closer to the camera so you guys can see what I'm doing. Small circular motions. We're just blending the edges of that color out. And we're just going to keep adding a little bit of color at a time, because we don't want to go too overboard. This is what that looks like, and we're just going to do the same thing to the other eye before we move on. Oh my gosh, y'all. Do y'all see this freaking pimple in the middle of my freaking forehead? Like, for real? For real. And it's like, it won't go away. Like, it's, I don't know. So now that both of your eyes look like this, and blending really is the key. Like, you just want to blend everything. You're going to go with the same brush and try to blend the purple into the orange. And we're also going to blend this down just a little bit right here. And you just want to keep going back and forth with the colors until it's to your satisfaction. Okay. So now this is what the eyes look like. We're going to go ahead and cut our crease. I'm going to be using the same concealer to cut my crease, but I'm going to put the concealer on the back of my hand so I can just dip my brush in it. And to cut your crease, if for beginners, you can put concealer like on your lid and then open it, like lift your eyes up, and it'll show you that like where you should cut it at. But because I know my eye shape, I don't really have to do that. So I'm just taking a flat random concealer brush, and I'm just going to start cutting my crease. And this is what the first one looks like. And I'm going to put 2 layers on it after I cut my other crease just to make it pop a little bit more. Okay, so once you have your cut creases done, I'm going to go ahead and blend out the edges. I'm going to be putting the purple first. And I'm just going to pat the color on there instead of doing small circle motions because it eventually blends itself out. Okay, so now that I have the edges blended out, I'm going to go in with the same orange and blend it out in front of the purple. And remember, you just want to tap the color. And you're just going to go back and forth and blend the purple into the orange. Okay, so now I'm going to take in a flat brush and I'm going to be going in with Transcend, which is this nude color right here. And that's what I'm going to be putting in the beginning of my eye to set that concealer. Okay, so once you set the concealer, I'm going to be taking the same brush and I'm going to be dipping into Hungry Ghost, which is this pretty ass glitter. And like, this glitter is so bomb, guys, and you honestly don't need a whole lot. So I'm just gonna tap this all over the front. Like, yes, so pretty. And these pressed glitters are so easy to work with. This is my first ColourPop palette, so yes, I really do like it a lot. Okay, and that's how that looks. Okay, so these are what the eyes look like right now, and I'm gonna do my face makeup off camera and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I am done with my face makeup for the most part. I'm gonna go ahead and finish my eyes up with you guys. I'm gonna take that same purple shade and I'm just going to put that underneath my eyes, and I'm gonna be using, to do that, a Essence Smoky Eye Brush, and this is just a small little blending brush. So I'm just going to pack the color onto this and smoke out my under eyes. Okay, so now I'm going to go back on the same purple brush and I'm going to be blending this out with the orange. Like so. I feel like a fucking butterfly or some shit. So this is the finished look with the eyes. I did go ahead and apply Kendoll lashes. These are in the one's Dream. I will put all her contact information below. And I also did use this sugar eyeliner, and this is in the shade, what is this? Green Light. And I put this on my waterline, just add a little pop of color. But yes, y'all, this is it for the eyeshadow look. And just comment down any looks you want me to do next. Thank you for watching, guys.